Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Supriya Jha, and I'm the Global Head of Diversity, Inclusion, and Belonging for Nasdaq. On behalf of the Nasdaq family, I warmly welcome Mr. Moussa Oumarou, Deputy Director General of the International Labour Organization, Mr. Peter Robinson, President and CEO of United States Council for International Business, Mr. Mamadou Diallo, Deputy General Secretary of the International Trade Union Confederation, colleagues, guests from the organizations, and other special guests to this afternoon's market closing bell. We are excited that you could join us all right here at Market Site in Times Square as we get set to ring today's closing bell. We're thrilled to welcome you all to today's closing bell that pays tribute to the 100th anniversary of the International Labour Organization. And I think that deserves a round of applause. The International Labour Organization has served workers, businesses, and governments in a tremendous way by setting international labour standards and policies that promote social justice and decent work. I would like to specially congratulate the International Labour Organization on its recent convention on violence and harassment in the world of work, which is the first international labour standard on this issue. The convention, along with other standards set by the International Labour Organization, will enable businesses around the world to adopt best practices that provide a thriving environment for their biggest assets, the employees. So thank you, International Labour Organization, for helping the business world on this important imperative. And now, please join me in welcoming Mr. Moussa Oumarou, Deputy Director General to the ILO, to the podium for further remarks, and some of his partners as well, Peter and Mamadou. Please.
Friends and colleagues, it's a great privilege for the International Labour Organization to be here. This year, the International Labour Organization is celebrating its centenary. The International Labour Organization is the oldest major United Nations agency. The International Labour Organization is unique because business has an equal voice in our decisions alongside workers and governments. This is social dialogue in action. We are celebrating the role of business as the engine of the economy, a driver of innovation, and a primary generator of jobs. We are also celebrating the role of workers because behind every company, large or small, are people. And people deserve not just any work, but decent work, meaning productive, freely chosen work, access to social protection, social dialogue, and respect for labor rights, such as our newly adopted Convention on Violence and Harassment in the World of Work. Together, we are working to shape the future of work with social justice. And we call for a human-centered approach to ensure the benefits of economic growth are fairly distributed and technology works for people. Thank you.